Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the BlackVue SAFY9 2CH 64GB dashcam. I've looked through the internet, checked specs, reviews, and real user discussions, and in this video I'm going to help you decide whether the BlackVue SAFY9 is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that stands out is the video quality setup. The SAFY9 records in true 4K Ultra HD at the front and Full HD at the rear, using a Sony Starvis IMX415 image sensor for the front camera. Based on product specifications and early reviews, daytime image quality is very sharp with strong detail capture for license plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic. HDR processing also helps balance bright sunlight and darker shadow areas for more consistent footage. One of the biggest selling points here is the AI-powered night vision system. Many dash cams struggle badly in low light, but the SAFY9 uses AI image enhancement combined with HDR and Starvis sensor technology to improve visibility at night. Reviews specifically mention better color accuracy, reduced grain, and improved recognition of vehicles and pedestrians in dark environments. Another nice addition is the built-in LCD touchscreen display, which is something many BlackVue-style dash cams normally skip. The 3-inch IPS screen allows quick playback, menu navigation, and camera adjustment directly on the unit without always relying on the smartphone app. That makes setup and daily operation much more convenient for many users. Parking protection is also a major focus here. The SAFY9 includes 24-hour parking monitoring with motion detection, impact detection, and time-lapse recording modes. With the proper hardwire setup, the camera can monitor your vehicle while parked and automatically save footage if movement or impacts are detected. Connectivity features are strong as well. You get built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing footage downloads, app control, trip tracking, and location/speed data embedded into recordings. H.265 compression is also included to reduce storage usage while maintaining high video quality, which helps maximize recording time on the included 64GB microSD card. Now, after going through reviews and Reddit discussions, there are definitely some trade-offs worth mentioning. First, while image quality is strong overall, some users within the broader BlackVue ecosystem mention that nighttime license plate clarity can still be inconsistent in very dark conditions or with fast-moving traffic, which is honestly a challenge for most dash cams in general. Another common discussion point involves the mobile app experience and Wi-Fi connectivity. Some longtime BlackVue users report occasional app glitches, firmware frustrations, or connection issues depending on phone compatibility and software updates. Others say the system works perfectly once configured properly, so experiences seem mixed. There are also concerns from some users about long-term heat management and parking mode battery usage, especially in hot climates when hardwired for continuous monitoring. Price is another factor. The SAFY9 is positioned more toward the premium side of the dashcam market, so casual users who only want basic accident recording may find cheaper alternatives sufficient. So, would I recommend buying the BlackVue SAFY9 2CH? Honestly, yes. If you want a premium dual-channel dashcam with strong 4K image quality, excellent night enhancement features, parking surveillance, and convenient smart connectivity. The combination of HDR, AI night vision, GPS, Wi-Fi, and touchscreen controls makes it a very feature-rich package for daily drivers and vehicle security. But if you just need a simple, basic dashcam for occasional recording, this may be more advanced and more expensive than necessary. Overall, this feels like a modern high-end dashcam system designed for drivers who prioritize video clarity, smart features, and around-the-clock vehicle protection. And for that audience, it delivers a very strong all-around experience.